Yeah, hey, hello, assalamu alaikum. Yeah, today I'm here to teach you how to start MySQL. Before starting MySQL, you should have to download the setup of MySQL. I will provide you the link of this website in my video description. After downloading or installation, you should have to search MySQL. We will work on this CMD file because it is little bit easy than all the others. Wait, you're done. Yeah, enter password. I will write the password which I had written during the installation of the setup. As we know that in database we have to create table and write queries, but here we should have to create database first, in which all the tables will be stored. PHT use PHT. Now we will create table. Create table. Employee ID int. As we know that ID is always primary key and it will neither be none. And if you want auto increment, you can also write auto increment. First name variable character 12. Last name variable 12. Contact number variable character 15. Address variable character 23. Date of birth, data type date. Finally we turn into a table. If you want to see it in tabular form, write describe employee. Yeah, here it is. And in the next video I will teach you how to sort values in this table. If you like my video, go and click the bell icon button and also subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.